Obtaining money from people by false pretense or deception, Yahoo Yahoo, internet fraud, may look like an easy money or shortcut to wealth, but its consequences are very serious and cut across legal, personal, social, community and spiritual dimensions for the country Nigeria.
In terms of corruption, Nigeria has a reputation, as you understand very well, for very massive corruption.
Aside the fact that fraudsters end in prison, suffers shame, untimely death or destruction, it damages Nigeria's image globally, making life harder for hard-working youths, as remarked by President Donald Trump on corruption. The same skills used for fraud, IT knowledge, persuasion, networking, can be used legally in tech, digital marketing, e-commerce, and consulting, with peace of mind and sustainable wealth. Let us dive deeper and analyze some of the consequences as it affect the internet fraudster, yourself, myself and Nigeria's global reputation. Arrest, trial, and imprisonment by EFCC, repatriation by FBI, or Interpol. Heavy fines and forfeiture of assets, cars, houses, gadgets, money. Restriction from practicing in professional fields, law, medicine, banking, teaching after being tagged a convict, etc. Damages to Nigeria's image globally, making life harder for hard-working youths by limiting their legitimate global career exploit. International blacklisting and possible Interpol red notice. Deportation and permanent travel ban from foreign countries. Wasted youth, prison years or time spent hiding from the law enforcement. Permanent criminal record, limiting career, future travel, and opportunities. Stress, paranoia, and depression from living in constant fear of arrest by the EFCC and FBI. Continuous harassment, molestation and exploitation from corrupt police. Broken relationships, loss of trust from friends, partners, and even family. Risk of early death through rival gangs, those into cultism, police encounters, or reckless living, death via motor accident. Hard drug, substance abuse and addiction to drugs, gambling, or alcohol becomes a rising vices in the community due to the fast and lavish lifestyle. Financial instability, fraud money is fast but never sustainable. Paucity of funds will eventually lure them into Yahoo Plus, ritualism, robbery, etc. They cause ritual death to innocent community members. The community has lost its cultural value. Hard work and perseverance is no longer appreciated. Fraudsters are now celebrated and given chieftaincy title. Raising children with no fraudulent tendency is now almost difficult. Social vices are just prevalent almost everywhere. Shame, loss of genuine respect and stigma brought upon parents, siblings, and community. Children may be mocked as offspring of a fraudster. Parents and relatives may be dragged into investigations or harassment. Negative peer influence, younger ones may be lured into internet fraud. Inflation of local economies, rents, entertainment, and luxury goods become overpriced and out of the reach of legitimate earners. Loss of foreign trust in Nigerians, making global business harder and causes complete loss or reduction in foreign direct income, FDI. Genuine Nigerian freelancers and entrepreneurs lose clients because of the scammer stereotype. International payment platforms, like PayPal, limiting services in Nigeria. Loss of integrity, making it harder to live an honest life later. Paucity of fund easily leads them into Yahoo Plus, rituals leading to spiritual bondage, curses, and even death to themselves and innocent victims. Negative karma, fraudsters often fall victim to betrayal, scams, or sudden downfall. An adage says, money gotten from the destruction of others cannot buy goods that will give peace of mind, law of karma. Loss of destiny, talents wasted on crime instead of building a true legacy. The campaign and war against almost the normalization of internet fraud, Yahoo Yahoo, in Nigeria must be sustained and won. To be less concerned is not an option because it is already affecting yourself and myself. Subscribe, share, and like.